everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a special delivery from Germany. This is my second, but the third box for Upcrate, which is a art subscription box. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. So, right when you open it, it says it's time for some art. And it says, uncreate it first. How to second, enhance your artist skills, learn from how-to videos by a professional artist, and then battle. Participate in #Upcrate battle to win great prizes and share your art with your art crew members. So first up is the personalized information packet. I will open this one last. It usually has stickers and then also what you're unboxing. So, put that there. Very cool sticker. Nice presentation. I was blown away last time with how much they fit in such a small little box. It was jam-packed. So this month, not as jam-packed, but definitely pretty full. So let's see what's inside. First up is a pilot pencil, but it's colored. So it looks like it is a blue colored pencil lead. Let's see if I have a piece of paper somewhere that I can use. And of course I don't. So let's see if this will work. Yeah. Oh, it actually looks green. So that is green. The color itself looks green, but this is actually... Okay. So I got a green pencil and blue pencil lead. Let me know if you get this box, if the same thing happened to you. I'm not mad about it. It's super cool. I love the green pencil. Would have loved a blue pencil. Doesn't matter. Love them both. It'll be a little awkward having the blue lead in the green pencil, but hey, I'm an artist. I can do it. And this is a very comfortable pencil, and it does have a little eraser. My problem with erasers, though, this small is I use them up too quick. So I won't be using that, but that's okay because it came with an eraser this month. I have never seen an eraser this color before. So it looks like it is a red and yellow, or red and orange, or red, orange, yellow, whatever you want to call it. It's made in Germany. And it works just fine. Works like an eraser, but it's very pretty. And it does say this is made in Germany. It's a La Fleur. So super cool. So there's those. Scissors out of the way. A Cretacolor pencil sharpener, just standard pencil sharpener. Some washi tape. This is a kind of like cubert washi tape. So if I can get it open, let's show you. Paper wasn't holding anything. So welcome to another episode of Jen Tries to Open Something. Okay. There we go. Now to find the end. There it is. So if you can see that. Oops. Of course I put it on crooked. There we go. Okay. Next I have a white doesn't have anything on it, but it looks like it is a woodless pencil. Let's see. I don't have my to-do list. Oh no, that doesn't work either. Alright, we'll read and figure out what that is. See if I have some black paper somewhere. And then we have a 2H pencil. So, very standard pencil. We have a Polycolor by Koinor. I don't know what color that is. It looks white as well. And this paper just doesn't, or it's a blender. Could be a blender. So there's that. And then this one is white chalk oil. And I need some black paper, so maybe there'll be some in here. So there's that. And then we have super soft colored pencils, 12 of them. So it's a Stadler brand. Very pretty colors. Let's see if there's some paper in here to actually do a swatch. There usually is. So, on the bottom, looks like we have a little artist. It tells you all about Jocelyn's. So, very cool. And then we have some paper. We have some black and some brown. So let's use the black. There we go. Ooh, that's a very bright white. Regular pencil. There's a Milo green guy. Ooh, he's metallic-y. I like it. Then, of course, the blue that I can't technically swatch until I'm done with the green. Yellow. Orange. There's no color names. There is a number, if you know what the numbers mean, and then there's the color on the bottom. Oh, that was pretty. These look fantastic on this black paper. And of course the brown paper they're very smooth, so that is definitely true. Super soft, creamy feeling. I could definitely see me doing some floral drawing. Pretty, I don't know, generic's not a good word, but a pretty basic color palette. Gives you a lot of the primary colors. All of the primary colors gives you a lot of blending opportunities, options, and then of course with the addition of the whites, that's pretty cool. Of course there's 3 whites, but some are brighter than others, so that will help with some tones as well. Plus, depending on what paper you're using. And then a lot of people can use whites for blending, so that helps as well. So this one feels more like a blending tool, although it was white on the black, it is white on here as well, but very, very light. Normal pencil, my super cool green metallic that I already broke. Keep it short. And then, of course, the super cool eraser that, since I blended it, the part that I didn't blend erases really well though. So, very nice. And then, of course, washi tape and colored pencil. And washi tape's great for making straight lines if you ever need that. And then, let's look at what's inside our envelope. So inside the envelope, out falls 2 paper clips. And then we've got, have a look at Jocelyn's how-to video, and there is the link. Okay, so the Staedtler soft color, super soft colored pencils. So there's no prices on here, so we'd have to do our own price check. But for the Staedtler pencils, just says they're equipped with a super soft lead, which results in a particularly high coverage, 12 pieces of amazingly bright colors. They can be applied on both white and black paper, are available to spark your creativity. And it talks about the Lumograph pencil. It's a high quality, premium quality artist pencil. The blender wooden pencil, so that definitely is a blender. Soft colorless pencils that allows you to blend 2 or more colors together. Now we saw it wasn't totally colorless, but it's very, very light. So, and then the white one that doesn't have anything on it, which shocks me that there's nothing written on it. But it does say it's a Koh-i Noir Progresso woodless pencil. It's got some good weight to it. It's very nice. Different to a classical wooden pencil, these coated pencils are made from a solid color stick that enables you to draw with the full surface of the cone to cover a greater area. Has 5 times more coverage than a normal colored pencil. Can be sharpened with a standard sharpener. The solid lead feels different in your hands than a wooden pencil. It definitely does that. The washi tape is Folia. Hand tear rice paper tapes with transparent frosted surface suited for lettering and drawing. Allows for removal and repositioning. We've got the white chalk oil pencil. Almost white as snow is this lightning pencil is indisposable for brightening areas and adding light spots. So that's cool. The Pilot pencil. The Color Econo pencil from Pilot is available in 8 bright colors, each with matching colored lead. The colored leads are smudge resistant and perfect for drawing and sketching. Smudge resistant and easy to erase. Sorry about that. Perfect for drawing and sketching. Each pencil includes 2 pieces of colored lead. Enjoy. Then it says the refill lead lets your writing experience continue endlessly with plenty of color. Lead in soft blue. So yeah, different colors, but that's okay. Use your Color Eno mechanical pencil to exchange the original color green with the refill lead blue. Press down the green lid, so it just tells you how to replace it. Then you've got the Authentic Brown sketch paper, and then and that's SMLT, and then SMLT black paper, and they're both high grade paper for sketching with pencils, pens, pastels, and other tools. And then we've got the wonderful pencil, multi-purpose eraser, multi-purpose eraser, based in a modern classic. Man, I can't read tonight. Anyways, eye-catching eraser. Looks like there's 2 varieties, and you get one randomly. Of course, I got the yellow one. And then it says, "Me Hearties, I would like to share the booty from my latest raid with you. Golden and bronze paper clips in various shapes. Don't lose these precious clips. Which one have you received?" So I've actually got 2 little ones. And then we've got a super cool sticker, a postcard, a postcard, and then a couple other little things. So this is Never Stop Dreaming is this month's battle topic. It tells you what you need to do. Another cute little sticker. A little note card. It says, "Me Hearties." Look who has sneaked on board at the very last moment. Oh, the pencil sharpener was not mentioned in the flyer. So the Creator Color Artist Pencil Sharpener makes working with arts and pastel pencils an absolute pleasure. So there you go. It tells you all about the pencil sharpener that I totally forgot about. And then another sticker that says, "I create my own reality." Okay. So there you have it. My upgrade for this was November's, I believe. It's now December, but this was the November box. I just got it in the mail super late. I think because it's coming from Germany and I'm in the United States, so it just took a while. Probably got stuck in customs. I didn't get a shipping confirmation, but they did. I did email them and ask them for one, and they sent it, and they apologized. So super cool of them. And yeah, it finally got here today, and I was super excited to open it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you get Upcrate, and which one you've liked best so far. Maybe you've gotten all 3. This would be my second one. I loved the amount of markers, the amount of items we got in the second one. This one is super cool too. Absolutely no problems, no complaints with Upcrate so far. I am excited to use these pencils. I've actually never, I might have used 1 or 2 of them, but I've never had a full set of these Staedtlers. So super cool that it comes in a full set. So thanks for watching.